Can I get my WhatsApp back if I delete my account? Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So, if you someday delete your WhatsApp and you are tensed about if you can back up all the data, all the chats, numbers and everything in your WhatsApp. If you want to know if you can do it or not, then watch this video till the end. First of all, if you have already deleted your WhatsApp and you want to get your WhatsApp back, then make sure that you reinstall your WhatsApp from the Google Play Store or App Store of your device. On the search bar, you can simply search for WhatsApp and you can simply install the latest version of WhatsApp on the device, either iPhone, Android or anything you have. After you do that, you can simply open your WhatsApp. Now, after you open your WhatsApp, it will give you the option of backup your WhatsApp. Now, when you click on backup, it might take some time to back up the account. But if you tap on backup my WhatsApp account, then your WhatsApp account will surely be backup. So when you delete your account, there are many questions like, will I be out of the group? Will my chats all be deleted? So the thing is, if you back up your chats and everything, then your chats will not be deleted. And when you delete your WhatsApp account, then in any group you are with, it will show you that this person has left the conversation or something like that. So you can simply go and see that you are in that group again. Even if you don't back up your WhatsApp, you will be in that group, but the chats will no more be available if you don't back up. So the very simple way to get all the chats and everything in your WhatsApp, even after you deleted it, to get it back up, and then you can use it very simply. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.